How to find someone on Facebook without the name. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, and now what you can simply search for is anything that you know about them. You can type in the username, or you can just enter any of the working place that you know regarding them. So let me just type in some random thing over here and let me just search for it. So when you search for it, you can see there are different options over here like posts, people, groups. So if you want to look for people, simply select on people, and you can see for a lot of people over here that there are numerous people. Now if you want to just lower it down and you want to just niche it, simply tap on this icon or filter at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can select the city, you can select on education, so you can type on any school over here, you can tap on work, friends, and then tap on show results. And as you do that, the results will be much more less and you'll be able to find a friend. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.